Hello students, welcome to ChemEasy. Before learning individual hydrocarbons in detail, we must know what are hydrocarbons. In this video, I am going to tell you a little introduction about hydrocarbons. And before watching this video, subscribe ChemEasy to learn chemistry easily. The same topic available in our channel with Tamil explanation also. Hydrocarbons are the compounds of carbon and hydrogen only. This term itself self-explanatory, that is hydro plus carbon. It consists of only hydrogen and carbon, and these hydrocarbons are of different types. Depending upon the types of carbon-carbon bonds present, it can be classified into three main categories. One is saturated hydrocarbon, second unsaturated hydrocarbon, and the third one is aromatic hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons contains carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen single bonds only. In these saturated hydrocarbons, all the carbon atoms are bonded to four other atoms and are saturated. It means one carbon atom bonded with other carbon atom or other hydrogen atom, like that all the carbon atoms bonded to four other atoms. In this saturated hydrocarbon, no carbon-carbon multiple bonds exist. It means there is no double bond and triple bond in saturated hydrocarbons. This saturated hydrocarbon can have a linear structure. It means unbranched structure, branched structure, or a ring-shaped structure. Example for saturated hydrocarbons are alkanes and cycloalkanes. Here you can see the example. This is N-butane, which is one of the linear saturated hydrocarbon. There is no branches in this structure. And this one is 3-methyl octane. Here in octane structure, third position, methyl group substitution is there. It means it is a branch. It is one of the branched hydrocarbon. And this structure is an example for cycloalkane. So here both are cyclopentane only. So this is a cyclic structure. So this is one of the ring-shaped structure. Second one is unsaturated hydrocarbons. In unsaturated hydrocarbons, carbon-carbon multiple bonds will be present. It means either double bond or triple bond. In some of the unsaturated hydrocarbon, both double and triple bonds will be present. And in case of unsaturated hydrocarbons also, straight chain as well as branched chains are possible. Example for unsaturated hydrocarbons are alkenes and alkynes. Here you can see some examples. First one, ethane. So this is one of the alkene, consists of carbon-carbon double bond. And next one is buta 1,3 diene. Here also double bond is there. These two are straight chain alkenes. And in this structure you can see two branches. So with this carbon, ethyl group and methyl group branches are present, and here carbon carbon double bond is there. So this is one of the branched chain alkene. Name of this structure is 3,3 dimethyl pent 1-ene. And next one, ethine. This is an example for alkyne having carbon carbon triple bond, and here this is 1-butane. Here also carbon carbon triple bond is there. It is also one of the alkyne. These two are straight chain alkynes. And this one is 3-methyl 1-butane. Here carbon carbon triple bond, and with this carbon one methyl group branch is there. This is an example for branched alkyne. And in this structure you can see both the multiple bonds. It means here double bond is there, here triple bond is there. So this is one of the example for the unsaturated hydrocarbon containing both double and triple bond. And the third class of hydrocarbons are aromatic hydrocarbons. These aromatic hydrocarbons are a special type of cyclic compounds. These hydrocarbons are also known as arenes. Aromatic hydrocarbons are unsaturated hydrocarbons which have one or more plain or 6 carbon rings, which are called benzene rings. To that 6 carbons, hydrogen atoms are attached. Many aromatic hydrocarbons contain a benzene ring, which is also referred as an aromatic ring. In aromatic hydrocarbons, if there is no benzene ring, then they are called as heteroarenes. In heteroarenes, a minimum of one carbon atom is replaced by either nitrogen, oxygen or sulfur. You can find the example here. This is the structure of benzene, one of the arene, that is aromatic hydrocarbon, which consists of only carbon and hydrogen. This is methyl benzene, common name toluene. This is also one of the arene. And these two are example for heteroarenes. Here one carbon replaced by oxygen atom. This is furan structure. And in this structure, one of the carbon replaced by nitrogen atom. This is pyridine. If you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe ChemEasy.